It's Wednesday and you know what that means. News! I'm your host Andrew and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny shot of daily crypto headlines. Today we only have one story related to Elon's Twitter buyout, so hopefully the Musk won't be too strong. First up, a second country has adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. The Central African Republic has elevated the cryptocurrency to the same status as the CFA franc, which means Bitcoin can now be used for legal purchases. This comes 8 months after El Salvador became the world's first country to make Bitcoin an official currency. The Central African Republic is, unfortunately, one of the world's poorest countries, and just 11% of the population have access to the internet. In an interview with Bloomberg, Finance Minister Herve Ndoba said, "There is a common narrative that we sub-Saharan African countries are often one step behind when it comes to adapting new technology. This time, we can actually say that our country is one step ahead." Meanwhile, Tesla's share price plunged by 12% on Tuesday as traders reacted with alarm to Elon Musk's $44 billion purchase of Twitter. Tuesday's bloodbath on Wall Street wiped $126 billion off the company's valuation and also caused Musk's net worth to fall heavily. Investors are worried that Musk may need to sell shares to finance his deal to buy the social network, and that it could distract him from his day-to-day job as Tesla's CEO. Ed Moya, a senior market analyst at Oanda, has also warned that the billionaire might not have the financing to complete the Twitter acquisition if Tesla's share price continues to fall. Although Tesla was certainly one of Wall Street's worst performers on Tuesday, it wasn't alone. The tech-heavy Nasdaq plunged to its lowest level since December of 2020 after suffering the biggest one-day drop in over 18 months. Meanwhile, Bitcoin slid from $40,500 to $37,900 in the span of 12 hours. Fort Worth in Texas has become the first city government in America to mine Bitcoin. 3 S9 Bitcoin mining machines are going to operate 24 hours a day in a climate-controlled data center within City Hall. A 6-month pilot program is going to take place, and the equipment has been donated by the Texas Blockchain Council. Fort Worth's mayor, Maddie Parker, officially turned on the machines during a ceremony on Tuesday. Officials in the city estimate that each Bitcoin mining machine will use roughly the same amount of energy as a household vacuum cleaner, and it's hoped that this will be offset by the value of Bitcoin that's generated. On the flip side, New York State has announced that it's clamping down on Bitcoin miners who fail to use energy from sustainable sources. And finally, a new report suggests that the use of Chivo wallet has plummeted in El Salvador. The U.S. National Bureau for Economic Research notes that there was a spike of downloads after President Nayib Bukele said that every Salvadorian citizen could claim $30 in free Bitcoin if they downloaded the app. But a survey of 1,800 households revealed that just 40% of those who installed Chivo have continued to use it after spending their Bitcoin. The research also suggests that virtually no downloads of this app have taken place in 2022, with a sizable number of Salvadorians reluctant to give Chivo a try because they prefer cash and don't trust Bitcoin. But by all means, give us a try and show that you prefer our YouTube channel by liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and clicking on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. A sizable number of our viewers can also ask Alex in the description below if they have any questions about our headlines or crypto in general. Alex is a great source of info for all things Web3 and the metaverse. And with that, I've been your host Andrew, these have been your headlines, and we'll see ya tomorrow.